Who wrote Vande Mataram? In which novel was Vande Mataram included? What is the meaning of Vande Mataram? When was Vande Mataram first sung publicly? Who gave the musical composition to Vande Mataram? Which part of Vande Mataram is adopted as the national song? Vande Mataram praises India as a Vande Mataram was written in which language? What is the theme of Vande Mataram? When was Vande Mataram adopted as national song? Vande Mataram inspired which major movement? Which lines of Vande Mataram are most famous? Which quality of India is not described in the song? Vande Mataram inspired which revolutionaries? What does the song symbolize? Which is the meter, style used in parts of Vande Mataram? In Vande Mataram, Mother India is compared to what? Which movement used Vande Mataram as a slogan? Which verse of the song describes flora and prosperity? The spirit of Vande Mataram represents